Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer wellness services with Fitbit, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer wellness services with your Fitbit, first, ensure that your Fitbit device is fully charged and turned on. Download the Fitbit app from your device's app store if you haven't done so already. Open the Fitbit app and sign in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the option labeled Manage Data. Select Manage Data to access your wellness services settings. Here, you will see options for sharing and transferring your wellness data. Choose the service you want to transfer your wellness data to or from. Follow the prompts on the screen to link your chosen wellness service to your Fitbit account. You may need to authorize the connection by signing into the wellness service you selected. Ensure you read any permissions requested and confirm your choices. Once linked, you can select which data you wish to transfer. Adjust the settings as required to personalize your data transfer preferences. After setting your preferences, confirm the transfer by tapping the appropriate option on the screen. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the transfer was successful. At this point, your wellness data should be synced to the desired service. Check the connected service to ensure your data has been updated correctly. If you encounter any issues, return to the Fitbit app and double-check your connection settings. Now you are ready to start tracking your wellness services with Fitbit efficiently. Feel free to revisit this process anytime you need to change or update your wellness service connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.